Have you ever wondered how a broken piece can become something precious? In a quiet workshop, participants gather to explore Kintsugi, the Japanese art of repair. They sit deep in concentration, mending broken ceramics, a metaphor for life's fractures. As gold glue fills the cracks, conversations flow, binding participants together in shared vulnerabilities. The act of repair unlocks deeper human connections, where imperfections are celebrated rather than hidden. Each fixed piece tells a story of resilience, highlighting the transformative power of embracing flaws, leading to enhanced communication and personal development.